Ready?
Ready.
There's a feeling that's hard to describe.
We're here.
The feeling when everything falls into place.
We're here.
The realization of all you'd envisioned.
We're here.
So much in life and business is finite, but your success is not. Nor are the memories of those who enjoy your landscape. At BrightView, we maintain the environments that define your property, the spaces where memorable moments and meaningful connections are made. For every first impression, every big moment, every big deal, and every goodbye, we're here. We're here when things go wrong, and we're here when things need to be just right. Giving you confidence in a service that makes you feel cared for, consistency that builds your trust, a world of resources at your fingertips, and a focus like you're the only one in the world. You see, at BrightView, we're passionate about nurturing your landscape, but the real reward is seeing how it benefits you. From water management to snow and ice services to tree care, enhancements, and beyond, we offer more than just landscape solutions. We deliver peace of mind by restoring safety, preserving the environment, and operating with the highest standards of corporate and social responsibility. Whenever you need us, wherever you need us, with locations across the country, and right here in your backyard. A partner you can count on to maintain your biggest moments and all the little ones in between. Because it's not just the first impression that matters, it's every impression. BrightView. We're here.